Hello everyone. Today I am going to start exercise 5D of chapter 5 subtraction. Our first question is find 4632 plus 8398 minus 5487. We have to solve this question, and I have explained you earlier that what we do in the first step, we add the numbers with the same sign. Okay, we will add the numbers with the same sign, and a number, our first number which is not having any sign, that means this number is having a plus sign. So we will add these two numbers in first step. Step 1 is 4632 plus 8398. Add these two numbers. 8 plus 2 is 10. 9 plus 3 is 12 and 1 is 13. 6 plus 4 10. 8 plus 4 12 plus 1 13. Okay, so in the first step we will add these two numbers, and in step 2 we will subtract 5487 from the sum of these two numbers. That means our question has become 13030 minus 5487. This is our second step. Now subtract it. 13030 minus 5487. Subtract these two numbers. This 0 will become 10 and this 3 will become 2. So 10 minus 7 is 3. This 2 will now become 12 and this 0 will become 9 and this 3 will become 2. 12 minus 8 is 4. 9 minus 4, 5. This 2 will become 12 and this 1 will become 0, and 12 minus 5 is 7. So our answer is 7543. So this is first sum. Okay. Second sum is 10,245 minus 7,429 plus 2,104. We have to solve this mixed sum. So first step, same, we will add those numbers that are having same sign, and this number both are having plus sign, so we will add the numbers with same sign. 10245 plus 2104. Add these two numbers and we will get 5 plus 4 is 9. Here is 4. 2 plus 1 3. 2 and 1. Okay, we will add these two numbers, and in the second step, step 2 is we will subtract this number from the sum of these two numbers. That means our sum has become 12,349 minus 7429. Okay, we will subtract this from the sum of these two numbers, and sum of these two numbers is this. So I am subtracting here 12,349 minus 7,429. Subtract these two numbers. 9 minus 9 is 0. 4 minus 2 is 2. Now 13 minus 4. 13 minus 4 is 9. This 2 will become 1 and this 1 will borrow, and this 1 will become 11 and this will become 0. And 11 minus 7 is 4. Okay, so our answer is 4920. This is our second question. Third question is we have to solve this sum. In this case we are having these two numbers with minus sign, and first step, same, we will add those numbers that are having same sign. In this case these two numbers are having same sign, that means minus sign, so we will add these two numbers. So step 1 is 3624 4, 7 and 315. We will add these two. Okay, and addition of these two is 7 plus 5 is 12, 1 carry, 4 plus 1 5 plus 1 6, 2 plus 3 is 5, 6 and 3. This is addition of these two numbers. Now in second step we will subtract this number from this number. So our question has become 120 500 minus 36562. We will subtract these two numbers. Start subtracting. 120 500 minus 36562. Subtract it. This will become 10, this 9 and this 4. 10 minus 2 is 8, 9 minus 6 3, this 4 will become 14 and this will become 9 and this will become 1. And 14 minus 5 is 9, 9 minus 6 3, this 1 will become 11 and this will become 0. And 11 minus 3 is 8. So our answer is 83,938. Okay, so this is our answer. So remember one thing, if we are having negative sign here, then also we have to add, because these two numbers both are having same sign. Okay, so if the numbers are having same sign, then we add the numbers, and in the next step we subtract the addition of these two numbers from the given number. So I have subtracted this number from this number and the answer is 83,938. Now we will do question number 4th, and 4th question is this. First step is same, we have to add those numbers that are having same sign, and in this question this number and this number, they both are having plus sign, so we will add these two numbers and start adding. Write the greater number on the top and smaller number below. So I have written like this. Add these two numbers. 0 plus 0 is 0, 8 plus 2 is 10, 7 plus 3 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11, 1 plus 1 2 and 1. Okay, and second step, this is our step first. Okay, in second step, right, like here is 1. In second step, what we will do, we will subtract this number from the sum of these two numbers. So our question has become 12100 minus 11250. So subtract these two numbers. 11250. 0 minus 0 is 0. This will become 10 and this will become 0. And 10 minus 5 is 5 become 10 and this 2 will become 1. 10 minus 2 is 8. So our answer is 800. Fifth question is solve this. We have to solve this. First step is we will add those numbers that are having same sign. So this number is having plus sign, this number is having plus sign, so we will add these two numbers and writing the greater number on the top and smaller number below it, and add these two numbers. 8 plus 4 is 12, 7 plus 1 8, plus 1 9, 3 plus 3 6, 2 plus 2 4, 2 and 1. I have added here. In the second step, I'll add the numbers with minus sign. Okay, these two numbers are having same sign, but the sign is minus. Even then we have to add, because the numbers with same sign are added up. 1920, and add these two numbers. I will get 2. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 9 is 16. 1 plus 1, 2, and 9. Okay, and in step 3, what we will do? Our question has now become 124,692 minus 92672. Okay, I'll subtract this number from this. That means I'll subtract the sum of these two numbers from the sum of these two numbers. Fine. So start subtracting. 124,692 minus 92672. Subtract these two numbers. 2 minus 2 is 0. 9 minus 7 is 2. 6 minus 6, 0. 4 minus 2, 2. This 2 will become 12 and this 1 will become 0. And 12 minus 9 is 3. So our answer is 32,020. Okay, this is our answer.